Hi everybody, I'm Filipina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, we're going to unbox. So guys, unbox with me. I have 4 packages today from Lazada, and this one I have to check out. Oh my god! So I will see if it's from, oh my god, from Amazon. So I have a package from Amazon today. Let's get started. So I have some shoes here next to me. It's from Lazada and Amazon. It's from my sponsors. So I would like to say thank you so much for donating some shoes, and I'm gonna show you now. First is we're gonna open the Lazada shoes. So this one, it arrived yesterday. And okay guys, let's open it. So I have some background noise outside because I'm constructing the terrace. I'm still busy with it. So it's in the back shelf. So let's see. Let's open it. This is really beautiful. So I'm just gonna throw it here, and we're gonna wear it later on. And this one, it's really beautiful. Oh my god! And then we're going to fit this one. I'm just gonna use my, still messy around here because I'm putting some of my stuff from this race here. And okay guys, I'm gonna show you the sandal. So okay, next is we're going to unbox the next package. So this one is also from Lazada. So we're unboxing the shoes from Lazada. So after this one, I'm gonna fit again the shoes. This is black. I have some of this style, but it's different because it's with heels. The heels is not so high. So this is the shoes. My size is size 6. So if you want to donate some shoes, just message to my Gmail account or Facebook page. This is beautiful. The quality is good. Only didn't put in the box, so it's quite bent. And the price is not so high for this one. And okay, this one, this is what we got today. So next, I'm so excited for this one because I know it's quite expensive from Amazon. And then, oh my gosh, let's open this one. Ta-da! Oh my god. So excited. J. Adams, so it's also branded. So let's put this in the floor, and this one. for my walking sandal. If ever I go to mall and I have to walk a lot, so this is really good. Kind of boots, shoes. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. Oh my god, it's really beautiful. This is it, guys. I have few collection of my shoes. It's in here in the background. It's not arranged yet. So I have some messy background around. So this is it. And again, we're gonna wear this one. We're gonna fit this one. I'm gonna pull out the stuff. Oh my god, this is really strong. I have 2 sets of Adam's shoes. Next is, oh my god, more to come, guys. I'm just so excited. I'm so addicted with shoes now. At first, I'm addicted with clothing. And now with the shoes. And next time, I'm gonna shop some cloth that I'm gonna use for my vlog. So we're gonna check it out. And for now, oh my god, this is it. I really love it. The reason why I love this kind of shoes because it makes me taller. This is the quality. Thank you so much for the person who sent this beautiful. Oh my gosh. I really love it. Okay, next. I still have one more box. I still have one more box. Last one. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. 9 West. This is the brand of the shoes. So let's see. This is also from Amazon. I like the packaging. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, first, oh my god, this is so high. Oh my god, this is too high, bro. I love it. It's really strong. 9 waist. The price is 6 million. No, it's just size 6, my number. My foot size. So 6M. So 6 million. I'm just kidding. So, this is it, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. Sana all. It's really beautiful. I really love it. I think I like the Amazon more next time. Look at the... When I cannot do focus because it become blurry. So this one, and we're gonna open another one. It's quite warm here because I don't have a fan. Oh my God. It's beautiful. Oh, I like it. Oh. So sweet, very beautiful. This is it, guys. So we have 4 pairs of shoes today, and that would be all. Then first I'm gonna show you how it looks like again for this kind of shoes. beautiful. I really love it. So this is some messy from the unboxing. So next is we're gonna fit the other one from Amazon. This one. First we have to remove the shoes. So So this is also size 6, but it's quite big a little bit. So I will adjust. I can adjust it to... So today I have this another box that arrived today. This is also from Lazada, so I don't really know exactly what's inside. So unbox with me again. So I think it's the stilettos black. That's my expectation, because I ordered also one. So I went to San Carlos City today to shop some additional materials for my terrace renovation. Oh my god, this is nice. This is not so high and it's very light. Oh my god, it's really, the quality is good. Wow. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna fit this on. Beautiful. So let's see if it will fit. I like this one. Oh my god. Fit perfectly. It's not painful. I don't want to break my nails. Okay. Oh, not bad. Easy to walk. The foot bed is very good. Foot bed. This one is good. I can wear this one in a party. And I would like to say thank you everyone for watching, and thank you for your love and support to my channel. If you want to donate for my driving videos channel, like for my gas, well, you can just go to my description down below. You can see PayPal account there. You can just donate any amount. And for shoes, well, you're welcome to message me for that. I would like to say thank you everyone, and see you next vlog. Bye!
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.